Ever wondered what makes the $1,000,000 spaghetti so special? Could it be the perfect blend of noodles, lean ground beef sauce, cottage cheese, cream cheese, and sour cream? Or is it the unique way it's prepared? Welcome to the world of $1,000,000 spaghetti, a dish that's just as intriguing as its name. This isn't your ordinary spaghetti. No, this is a culinary masterpiece that takes the humble spaghetti to a whole new level. Imagine a symphony of flavors, all coming together in perfect harmony. What's in this dish, you ask? Well, we start with the basics, spaghetti and beef. But then we add a twist with a trio of dairy delights: cottage cheese, cream cheese, and sour cream. We add a generous helping of spaghetti sauce, a touch of butter for richness, and top it all off with shredded cheddar cheese. Now, you might be wondering, how does all of this come together to make a dish worth $1,000,000? Well, stay tuned to find out. Making the $1,000,000 spaghetti is a process that involves careful preparation and layering of ingredients. It all starts with a good foundation, the spaghetti. Boil an 8-ounce package of spaghetti in salted water until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well and set it aside, because next, it's time to prepare the beef. You'll need a pound of lean ground beef for this recipe. Cook it up on the stove until it's nice and brown, then discard the grease. This beef will bring a hearty, savory element to your $1,000,000 spaghetti. Once it's done, transfer it to a bowl and mix in your spaghetti sauce. You can either use a jar of store-bought spaghetti sauce for convenience, or make your own marinara sauce at home for a more personalized touch. Now it's time to prepare the baking dish. This is where the magic happens. To add richness and flavor, use a stick of sliced butter to grease the dish. Then spread half of your cooked spaghetti at the bottom. Next comes the truly decadent part. You'll need to mix together cottage cheese, cream cheese, and sour cream. This trio of dairy brings a creamy, tangy element to the dish that's absolutely irresistible. Slather this mixture over your bed of spaghetti. Afterwards, cover this with the remaining spaghetti and butter. This double layering of spaghetti ensures that you get a good pasta bite in every forkful. Finally, pour the beef mixture over the top and spread it in an even layer. The beef and tomato sauce add a robust, hearty flavor that perfectly complements the creamy cheese layer. Once you've layered all your ingredients, it's time to bake this masterpiece. But we're not done yet. The final step to achieving the $1,000,000 spaghetti involves baking and a cheesy topping. With your spaghetti layered with that creamy, dreamy mixture and topped with your rich, beefy sauce, it's time to pop it in the oven. Set your timer for 30 minutes and let the oven work its magic. But it doesn't end there. The piece de resistance, the crown jewel, the final touch, is a generous sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. Put it back in the oven just long enough for the cheese to melt into a delicious golden blanket over the spaghetti. Let's recap the journey of this $1,000,000 spaghetti. It's a symphony of spaghetti noodles, lean ground beef sauce, and a unique blend of cottage cheese, cream cheese, and sour cream. It's all about the layering process, creating a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, making each bite a luxurious experience. And there you have it, a dish of spaghetti worth $1,000,000. It's not just about the ingredients, but also the love and effort put into making it. Try it yourself and taste the $1,000,000 difference.